In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Canva account. Whether you're moving on to a different design platform or simply looking to tidy up your online presence, knowing how to properly close your account is important. Let's get started with the steps to ensure you do it correctly. First, you'll need to navigate to the Canva homepage. Open your web browser and type in www.canva.com. Once you're on the Canva main page, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. This is essential because you need to access your account settings to proceed with the deletion process. Now, once you're logged in and on the home page, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu or a new panel, depending on the interface you're using. This area gives you access to various account settings, which is what we need. From the drop-down menu or panel, look for the Settings option. Click on Settings to proceed. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your Canva account. It's good to familiarize yourself with this area if you plan on making any changes in the future. Next, on the Settings page, you'll need to find the Login section. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on updates to the site, but you're essentially looking for anything related to account access or security. Click on Login to continue. Once you're in the login settings, you'll see the option to delete your account. It's usually labeled clearly as Delete Account. Clicking this will initiate the account deletion process. But before you do, it's crucial to remember that this action is typically irreversible. Make sure you've downloaded any designs or data you might need before taking this step. After clicking Delete Account, Canva may ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to ensure that you really want to proceed with the deletion. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. You might need to enter your password again for security verification. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to delete your Canva account. Remember, once it's deleted, you may not be able to recover your designs or data, so double check that you've saved anything important beforehand. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions about Canva or other online tools, feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful guides.